Hello everyone, this is your English teacher again. I'm glad to know we're going to be in touch again for this third term. In this opportunity, I want to give 9th graders from Escuela Normal Superior de Bucaramanga a warm welcome to this program. This program is about a reading plan project, alright? So we're going to be reading The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, written by Mark Twain. As you already know, maybe you've heard this book or you've watched the program. So in this video, I'm going to show you what the program is about, our project, the reading plan project is about, and what you are expected to do. So first of all the program is hosted here in the blog. Alright, so remember the address of our blog. I have it here. Once you are in the blog, you have to click here where it says third term. Alright, because this is the third term, and this is where you're going to find all the information. Once you are there on the third term, you're going to find all the information of the program. Alright, but before I show you the information of the program, I want to tell you what is the proposal, what is the objective of this program. First of all, we're going to read the story, not only to know the story, like what happened with Tom and his adventures, but also to recognize some important narrative elements of these kinds of texts, like settings, characters, plots, and among others. And we also are going to improve our English communicative skills while reading, speaking, listening, and writing. All right. How is the program going to be developed? We're going to have 5 lessons, okay? And as I told you, the objective is to identify narrative elements, and we're going to be talking about health. We're going to practice some grammar structures. Of course, we're going to improve our vocabulary, and we're going to develop other skills, social linguistic skills. All right. So what do you have to do? First of all, you have to visit the blog, as I already told you, and you have to check when is your class, your meeting. We're going to have meetings with the Meet platform, with Google Meet. So you have to pay attention to the date and the time we have the meeting. For example, with 9-1 grader students, we're going to meet every Tuesday, with 9-2 every Thursdays, with 9-3 on Mondays. All right? So make sure you know the time and the day, and click here. You just click here where it says Unirse con Google Meet, and that's it. We're going to start the meeting. After that, you're going to find the book. This is actually the book. It is a free sample copy from Penguin Readers. We're going to read this in class, but I would like you to read it at home as well, so that you have more practice. And the reading is divided in chapters. So we're going to read chapter 1, 2, 3 in the first lesson, 4, 5, 6 in the second lesson, and so on. At the very end of the book, you're going to find some comprehension questions that I would like you to work on as well, because they are going to help you understand the story better. All right? After the reading, we have the planning of all the classes. So here you can read the activities we're going to do in class and the activities you're supposed to do at home, all right? And how the teacher is going to evaluate. For example, in the first lesson, I'm going to evaluate attendance, your participation, and your notes, all right? Every class we have some external, here we have a student's manual. So all the instructions that I'm giving today and all the structures that you need to know to develop this program are here, where it says student manual. So you can click here and download this manual if you want to take a look at it for further information. So this is the manual. Here we have the purpose, what to do step by step. All right, first, second, third. It is very important for you to read it, because this is what we're going to take into account in this program. Also, we're going to watch a movie. the movie of Tom Sawyer and his friend Huck during our meetings, all right? And at the end of every lesson, we're going to have some grammar practice or some external links. So how do you get access to this? How do you access to this information? You just click here, for example, and a new tab is going to open for you, like this one. So what you do here is you solve the activities, you solve the exercises, you take screenshots of them, and you send me the screenshots to my email account. All right, you say, teacher, this is my activity of this page, in this web page, and you send me the evidence or that. In the second lesson, we also have this activities here in Agenda Web. It's an external link. For our third lesson, we're going to work on this worksheet. You guys have to solve it, and when you finish it, you click here where it says finish, and it says check my answers or email my answers to my teacher. So you click here, email my answers to my teacher, and you already know my email address. All right. Here on our fourth lesson, we're going to be drawing some comics, all right, about Tom Sawyer, the adventures of Tom Sawyer. So how do you upload your comics here? You click here in this icon, in this plus icon, and you choose the file you're going to upload, and you upload it here. I'm not going to do it right now because we don't have. So for example, here I uploaded mine, okay? And here where it says title, I give a title for it, like Huck has a family, for example. And here where it says write something, I have to write my name, okay? Please write your name so that I can know who is the author of this amazing comic. The comics are going to be published in these Padlets according to the grade. So this is for 9-2 students, 9-3 students. After that, on our fifth lesson, we're going to have a Kahoot game. Do you like playing? So good news. We're going to play this Kahoot in class. We also have this worksheet that summarizes all the story in Wise for Me. As you already know, when you use this kind of worksheets in Wiser.me, you have to write your name, last name, and grade, so that I can know if you are from 9-1, 9-2, or 9-3. Finally, we're going to take a look at the active elements in our fifth lesson. Something important here, you write, for example, let's say, I'm going to make up a name, Jason For example, you can write here Jason Castro 91. You make up a password, then you confirm your password, and you're clicking sign in as a student. Alright, and once you sign it with your name, last name, and grade, you're going to find the activities of the worksheet, so you solve it. And it's very important that when you finish all the activities, you click here where it says save, alright? And after that, you have to click here where it says hand-in work. This is the way you send me your answers, alright? So this is this term, a very nice reading plan. I hope you like it, and see you soon. Take care.